Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing the scene so the effect reads clearly. This matters for scale and timing. First, choose Cycles or Eevee and confirm Blender 3. 0 or newer, performance and shader nodes differ. Make a clean mesh, apply transforms with Ctrl+A, and place the camera with a 16:9 frame in mind. Once done, set clip start and end to avoid clipping and to control scan depth. This prevents artifacts and ensures your scan interacts correctly with geometry. Now you build the laser band itself. This is where you control look and motion. Create a material and plug a gradient texture into a color ramp to define the band. Multiply that with Fresnel or layer weight for edge falloff so it reads on curved surfaces. To animate, parent an empty to the band and use that object's Z location in a driver or shader node texture coordinate to offset the gradient. Make sure the ramp's interpolation and contrast match the intensity you want. Finally, animate and finalize the effect so it reads in motion. Keyframe the empty or driver value and adjust interpolation in the graph editor for steady motion. Linear usually reads like a scan. Render an emission pass or use Cryptomatte to isolate the band, then composite with a subtle blur and screen or add mix to create glow. If you see skipping or flicker, check object normals, UVs, camera clip range, and driver precision. Correcting those fixes most artifacts and keeps the scan smooth.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.